Excuse me, I want to open a savings account. How to go about it? You have to fill up this form, attach a photocopy of your identity proof, and bring this form to me. I'll receive it. Okay, thank you. Excuse me, till what time does the bank remain open? The bank remains open till 6 p.m. for the staff, but for customers it is till 4 p.m. Got it. Thank you. I want to make a demand draft. Please guide me. Take this form. Fill it up with the pay's details, the amount, as well as your own information. Then go to the cash counter there and pay the amounts. How much time does the bank take to prepare the draft? After you submit the form and the amount at the counter there, we'll require 1 hour to prepare the demand draft. Okay, thank you. Excuse me, my old checkbook has exhausted. I want a new checkbook. There is a form at the back of your old checkbook. Fill it up and submit that form at the counter there. A new checkbook will be delivered to your address within a week. Thank you. I have a savings account here. I want to close it. May I know the reason why you want to close your account? I am shifting my residence. My new residence will be far away from this bank, so it will become inconvenient for me to access this bank. I want to close it for this reason. Alright, now, you need to write a letter to the manager mentioning that you want to close your account. Make sure you put your signature and your account details and submit it here. Your account will be closed in 3 days. Okay, thank you. I have an enquiry. I have a fixed deposit of rupees 10 lakhs in this bank from which I receive interest every 6 months. My last interest payout was due in March. I checked my account balance several times, even till yesterday, and I found that my interest has not been credited to my account. Okay, let me check in the system here. Please tell me your account details. It's 500210098. Just a second. I'll check. I can check in the system here that it was an error made by the bank. Maybe the server was down on the very day your interest was to be credited. We are fixing it. Your interest will be credited to your account within a few hours today. In case I don't receive the interest by today, shall I have to come again here tomorrow to report? Not at all, ma'am. I assure you that your interest amount will be credited to your account today itself. You can go home and check your account balance this afternoon itself. Okay, thank you. I want to apply for an educational loan of rupees 7 lakhs. I want to study MBA. How to go about it? Please write a letter to the manager. In the letter, particularly mention the course you want to study, the institute, and the loan amount. Then attach a photocopy of your identity proof with the letter and submit it at the enquiry desk there. And yes, remember to put down your contact number on the letter. If you are eligible to receive the loan, you will be contacted by the bank soon. Alright, thank you. A week ago, I issued a check of rupees 2 lakhs to a person. Just yesterday, this person called me up and reported that the check has bounced. I am very much sure that I had sufficient balance in my account, so I want to know why my check suddenly bounced. Wait, let me check in the system. Please provide me your account details. My account number is 500210098 and my customer ID is Apex21. here in the computer, I can see that you do have sufficient account balance, but your signature on the check did not match. Really? Yes. Oh, then it might have been my mistake. Okay, thank you for informing. I want to know if locker facility is available in this bank. Yes, we have locker facility. What's the yearly charges? You have to pay rupees 8,000 annually. Okay, then I want to apply for a locker. Please fill up this form and mention what kind of items you want to keep in your locker. Then submit this form here. Okay, I want to deposit rupees 2 lakh cash in my account here. Please tell me how to proceed with this. Here's the depositor slip. Fill in the required details. Then go to the cash counter there and you can submit your cash there along with the depositor slip. Okay, thank you. I need an urgent help. Just half an hour ago, rupees 40,000 got deducted from my account all of a sudden. I did not make any transaction or online payment. I'm sure this is a case of cyber fraud. Please help me with this. I want my money back. Please calm down first. I'll check in a moment. Please provide me your account details. It's 500219854. Please wait. I'll check in the computer. Yes, I can see rupees 40,000 got deducted at 10 a.m. this morning. Are you sure you didn't issue any check to someone, make any online payment, purchase, or EMI payment? Not at all. I am absolutely sure. Ma'am, I'm forwarding this matter to the cyber fraud department immediately. Right now, we can't assure you that you'll get back your money, but we'll try our best to detect the source. For this, we need a week's time. A week? That's too long. It's a matter of 40,000. What about my money? Ma'am, I'm sorry, but you know you are not the only victim. Nowadays, this issue is increasing like never before. Honestly, there is maximum 50% chance you'll actually get your money back. And the investigation process is really very complicated and it needs time, so you have to wait. Then shall I visit the bank again after a week? You can come in person or you can call us. We'll provide you the update if there is any. That sounds very uncertain. Yes, it is rather uncertain, but we can't help it. I have a joint account in this bank. The account holders are my brother and me. I want to remove my brother's name from this account because he has settled abroad and he won't return again. So, how to proceed with this? Tell your brother to write a letter to the manager where he has to mention why he wants to remove his name from the account and make sure that he puts his signature on the letter. Bring the hard copy of the letter here and submit it to me. Do I need to submit any other document with the letter? Yes, you can do one thing. Attach a photocopy of his identity proof with the letter. That will be enough. And bring it to me. Okay, thank you. If you found this video informative and useful, you can hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Access Spoken English to watch more videos on spoken English. See you soon. Bye-bye.